Tired of boring summer outfits? What if I could show you 10 on-trend looks, all under $40 that practically sell themselves? I've scoured Amazon to find the best deals on the hottest summer trends, from denim shorts to stunning dresses and essential travel gear. I'm your name, welcome to Tools and Decor USA, where smart shoppers find smart style deals. Today I'll break down 10 amazing fashion finds that will instantly elevate your summer style, all on a budget. We'll cover fit, fabric, Amazon reviews, and styling tips so you can shop with confidence. Grab a cold drink, get comfortable, and let's dive into these must-have summer fashion finds. First up, let's talk about the ultimate summer staple that everyone needs in their closet. The 11 women's raw hem jean shorts. If you're searching for that one pair of shorts you'll reach for again and again, these are it. They're not just another pair of denim shorts. They're the holy grail for warm weather, combining style, comfort, and versatility in one must-have piece. These shorts strike the perfect balance between relaxed, vintage-inspired vibes and modern comfort. The classic denim look is elevated with subtle distressing and a raw hem, giving them that effortlessly cool, lived-in feel. Whether you're heading to a backyard barbecue, a music festival, or just running errands, these shorts fit right in. Made from breathable cotton with just the right amount of stretch, these shorts keep you cool and comfortable all day long. The fabric moves with you, so you never feel restricted. Perfect for everything from lounging at home to exploring the city on a hot day. You'll love how lightweight and soft they feel against your skin. The high-waisted raw hem design is super flattering, accentuating your waist and elongating your legs. The raw edge adds a trendy fashion-forward touch that sets these shorts apart from the rest. They're easy to dress up or down, making them a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Don't just take my word for it. Amazon reviewers can't stop raving about these shorts. With hundreds of glowing reviews, people love the fit, comfort, and quality. Many shoppers say they've bought them in multiple washes and colors because they're just that good. The feedback is overwhelmingly positive, especially about how well they hold up after multiple washes. These shorts offer great coverage without ever looking frumpy or outdated. The fit is true to size, so you can order with confidence. They hug your curves in all the right places while still giving you room to move and breathe. Whether you prefer a more fitted look or a relaxed fit, you'll find these shorts work for a variety of body types. Styling these shorts is a breeze. Pair them with a classic white tee and sneakers for a laid-back, casual look, or dress them up with a flowy blouse and wedges for brunch with friends. They also look amazing with a crop top, tank, or even a lightweight sweater for those cooler summer nights. The possibilities are endless, making them a true wardrobe essential. I'd love to know, how would you style these 11 raw hem jean shorts? Do you have a favorite summer outfit formula? Share your ideas and styling tips in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to make the most of this summer staple. Next, let's talk about the Emiel Jorts baggy. These aren't just any denim shorts. They're a fresh take on a classic, blending nostalgia with today's streetwear vibes. If you've been searching for the perfect pair of jorts that combine comfort, style, and a bit of attitude, these might just be your new summer staple. Emiel is bringing back the jorts trend in a big way, and it's easy to see why. These shorts are everywhere right now, from city sidewalks to music festivals and even casual hangouts at the park. They're making a statement, and people are loving the relaxed, throwback look. What sets these jorts apart is their relaxed, effortless cool. The baggy fit isn't just about looking laid back. It's about feeling free and comfortable, especially on those hot, sunny days when you want to move with ease. Whether you're out for a stroll or lounging with friends, these jorts have you covered. The denim is sturdy yet surprisingly soft, so you get durability without sacrificing comfort. The longer inseam offers extra coverage, making them a great choice for anyone who wants a bit more length without losing that casual vibe. Plus, the attention to detail in the stitching and fabric means these shorts are built to last. Styling these jorts is a breeze. Go retro with a baby tee and chunky sneakers for that classic 90s look, or add some fun accessories like a bucket hat or colorful socks to really make the outfit pop. The options are endless, and you can easily make the look your own. If you're after a more modern twist, pair your baggy jorts with a fitted tank and some sleek sandals. This combo is perfect for brunch, shopping, or just enjoying a sunny afternoon. The versatility of these shorts means you can dress them up or down, depending on your mood and plans. The construction is solid, and the fit is forgiving, ideal for all-day wear. Whether you're running errands, stretching out on the grass, or just relaxing at home, you'll appreciate how these jorts move with you and never feel restrictive. These jorts are your go-to for comfort without sacrificing style. They're perfect for those days when you want to look put together but still feel totally at ease. The confidence you get from wearing something that fits well and looks great is unbeatable. Dress them up with a blazer and boots for a night out, or keep it casual with a graphic tee and slides. The versatility of these jorts means you can experiment with different looks and always feel on trend. Where would you wear these? Picture yourself at a summer barbecue, strolling through the city, or even working from home in total comfort. The possibilities are endless, and these jorts fit right in with any setting. We want to see how you style your Emiel baggy jorts. Share your outfit ideas and tag us. Let's inspire each other to make the most of this revived trend. What's your favorite way to wear jorts? Let us know in the comments. If you're searching for the perfect blend of comfort, style, and versatility, look no further than the IWD stretchy high-waisted jean shorts. These shorts are designed to flatter every body type, making them a must-have for any wardrobe. Whether you're dressing for a casual day out or planning a more polished look, these shorts have you covered. The high waist not only creates a beautiful hourglass silhouette, but it also helps elongate your legs, giving you a taller, more confident appearance. The premium stretch denim fabric hugs your curves in all the right places, providing a comfortable fit that moves with you throughout the day. No pinching or gaping, just effortless style. The polished cuffed hem is a thoughtful detail that elevates these shorts beyond the basics. It adds a touch of sophistication, making it easy to transition from a laid-back afternoon to an evening out with friends. You can easily dress them up with accessories or keep it simple for a more relaxed vibe. With multiple denim washes to choose from, you can find the perfect shade to match your personal style. Whether you love a classic blue, a trendy faded wash, or a deep indigo, there's an option for every mood and occasion. These shorts are truly versatile, fitting seamlessly into any summer wardrobe. For a chic daytime look, pair your jean shorts with a breezy linen button-down and your favorite sandals. This combination is perfect for brunch, shopping, or a stroll in the park, keeping you cool and stylish all day long. If you're heading out for a casual adventure, throw on a graphic tee and some comfy sneakers. This easygoing outfit is ideal for running errands, meeting friends, or just relaxing on the weekend. When the sun goes down, elevate your look by pairing the shorts with a silky cami and a tailored blazer. Add some statement jewelry and you're ready for a night out, a dinner date, or even a rooftop party. The high waist design is also perfect for crop tops, letting you show just the right amount of skin while still feeling comfortable and confident. It's a fun, flirty option for summer festivals or beach days. Are you a fan of high-waisted shorts? I'd love to hear how you style yours. Share your favorite looks and let's inspire each other to make the most of this summer staple. No matter how you wear them, the IWD stretchy high-waisted jean shorts are sure to become a go-to piece you'll reach for again and again. They're the ultimate blend of comfort, style, and versatility, perfect for every summer adventure. Let's move to the ultimate one-and-done summer outfit, the deep V-neck halter maxi dress. This dress is elegant, airy, and perfect for warm weather, with a deep V-neck and halter top that flatters every figure. The lightweight, flowy fabric drapes beautifully and feels amazing. It's vacation-ready. Wear it as a chic cover-up by day, then dress it up for dinner at night. Also perfect for weddings, garden parties, or date nights. Just add sandals and simple jewelry for instant style. The price is unbeatable for such a statement piece. Are maxi dresses your summer go-to? Share your thoughts below. Want something playful and form-fitting? The knit floral bodycon dress is your answer. The stretchy knit hugs your curves comfortably, while the floral print keeps it fresh and feminine. Ruched details add a slimming effect and texture. Perfect for nights out, parties, or whenever you want to turn heads. Style with strappy heels and simple jewelry. Let the dress shine. It's a bold, affordable way to add a trendy piece to your wardrobe. Do you prefer bodycon or flowy styles? Let me know. This dress is all about confidence and fun. Meet the Miss Activer striped smocked midi dress, the perfect blend of comfort and chic. The smocked waist defines your shape, while the A-line silhouette flatters every body. Vertical stripes elongate and add a timeless nautical vibe. Soft, breathable fabric makes it ideal for all-day wear. Dress it down with sandals and a denim jacket, or up with wedges and statement earrings. Accessorize with a straw tote or a pop of color for extra flair. This is a true any occasion dress you'll wear on repeat. Are midi dresses your style? Tell me in the comments. Ready to make a statement? The W. Diarara Cheetah Halter Cutout Dress is for the bold. Cheetah print meets modern cutouts for a confident, head-turning look. The halter neckline and sleek fit highlight your figure, perfect for parties or vacation nights out. Despite the high-impact style, the price is super affordable. Keep accessories simple. Let the dress do the talking. Are you into bold prints or classic patterns? Share your style. This dress is all about showing off your personality. For cozy chic comfort, check out the polo sweater two-piece set. A matching knit top and shorts make getting dressed effortless and stylish. The polo collar adds a preppy touch, while the soft knit keeps you comfy. Wear the set together for a polished look, or mix and match with other pieces. Pair with sneakers and a crossbody for errands or travel. Influencers love this set for its quiet luxury vibe, without the price tag. It's versatile, comfortable, and on trend. Are you into matching sets for summer? Let me know. No summer outfit is complete without the right shoes. Enter statement flats. Leopard flats add instant personality and glam to basics, while mesh puppet flats offer a modern, breathable twist. Both are comfortable for all-day wear and perfect for walking. Leopard flats jazz up jeans and tees. Mesh flats pair well with tailored pieces, or even baggy jorts. Choose leopard for a bold, classic look, or mesh for minimalist, edgy style. Flats are practical and stylish, no need to sacrifice comfort. Which would you pick, leopard or mesh, flats or sandals? Let's talk summer shoes in the comments. Let's wrap up with essential travel accessories that make summer trips a breeze. Packing cubes keep your suitcase organized and let you fit more in. A multi-compartment makeup or toiletry bag prevents spills and keeps things tidy. Reusable toiletry bottles save space and reduce waste. A packable travel blanket is a must for chilly flights or car rides. Don't forget a car phone holder for safe, hands-free navigation. A compact travel brush set keeps your beauty routine easy on the go. All these are affordable Amazon finds that make travel smoother. What's your must-have travel accessory? Share below. That's it. 10 on-trend summer fashion and travel finds, all under $40 from Amazon. I hope you found inspiration to build a stylish, budget-friendly summer wardrobe. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart shopping guides. My top pick? The 11 raw hem jean shorts. Unbeatable for fit, comfort, and style. Which item will you try first? Let me know in the comments and check the description for all the links. Thanks for watching Tools and Decor USA. Stay stylish, save smart, and see you next time.